There are several different factors that can determine why your cookies may be turning out flat. Fortunately, there are some simple tricks you can follow for the perfect cookie. Why are my cookies flat? Not only do the ingredients play into the texture of your cookie, but so does the preparation. Too much or too little of one ingredient can make drastic differences in what you are baking. Even over-mixing and cold or melted ingredients can make a difference in taste and texture. Not enough flour. If you notice all the dough is sticking to the mixer attachment, slowly add in more flour. Start with a couple of tablespoons and mix in more until your dough is no longer wet and sticky. Flour allows cookies to have a fluffy texture. Too soft of butter. Though it is important to use room temperature butter, you want to avoid using butter that is too warm. Also be sure not to use too much butter, as the extra liquid will cause the cookies to flatten. Be sure that you are using unsalted butter and not shortening or margarine for your cookies, because it will give your cookies a much better taste. Adding too much sugar. When sugar gets heated, it begins to liquefy. This means that any extra sugar added will create more liquid, leading to a flat cookie. Using a warm baking sheet. To prevent this, you can either let the sheet cool or place the dough in the refrigerator beforehand. This will help prevent any melting of the butter when it comes in contact with the warm sheet, which can cause a flat cookie. Over-mixing. After you've added the eggs, only beat the dough for as long as the recipe says. Not only can over-mixing cause a flat cookie, but it can also cause a tough cookie. Too hot of an oven. Some people think that the hotter the oven, the faster something will bake. However, this is wrong. If your oven is too hot, the fat in the cookies will melt faster, resulting in a flat bake. Too much grease on the baking sheet. Many people assume you always need to grease your baking sheets. However, most cookies contain enough fat where greasing isn't necessary. You can also use parchment paper or silicone baking sheets. These will prevent your cookies from sticking, and you won't have to add any grease. Tips for the perfect cookie. Allow your cold ingredients to reach room temperature. Cold ingredients do not mix easily and can result in a clumpy bake. When ingredients have reached room temperature, they mix together smoothly and create an even bake. Chill the dough. Chilling cookie dough can lead to a fluffier cookie. Allow the dough to sit in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. After chilling, you can let the dough sit out for up to 10 minutes before baking. Make sure to properly measure. Weighing your ingredients is the most accurate way to measure them. For liquid ingredients, stick to using liquid measuring cups, and be sure to check at eye level that you haven't overfilled. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.